coat, babe? Almost. Come on. You can do it, sweetheart. Okay, well, I want you to try one more time. Just try one more. Here, put your hand down here. Okay. That little part right there. Okay, now. Goes right in there. Hold on, pull it down a little more. Okay. Got it? Almost.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, you almost got it. Do it
Can't
again.
do it.
Come on. You almost got it, bud. Ready? Here. Put your hand right here. We'll do it one more time. One more
time.
and that's
Come on.
all. Then you can go home.
Okay,
One
ready?
more try.
Right in there. I'm never
Hey.
gonna do it. It's hard. Come
Okay,
on.
you can try again tomorrow, okay?
Come on.
We don't want him to get discouraged.
Okay, ready? Pull it up.
Oh, dude, you did it! Good job, pal! Wow. That was awesome. You are such a big boy.
You did it. You
Good
did
job.
good.
Aunt, Aunt Pat's a good teacher.
Because these are my shoes.
No, these are
These are my shoes too.
not.
Yes, they are.
They're regular shoes.
These are my slip-on shoes.
You want to do it again? Want to zip it up again? No? We'll do it.
Good job, pal.
Tell your sister, come on.
Come on, Anessa. What's my food treasure?
You looked like Cheyenne when you did that.